The construction job site is so fluid that unpredictable obstacles occur almost every day. To stay prepared for these obstacles, look-ahead schedules become increasingly important for your field personnel. Using SIS short interval scheduling can make our scheduling more effective than ever by giving us the ability to respond to the work obstacles in a more visible manner. As a companion for the SIS web application, the SIS app allows personnel to schedule and score their work directly from their phone or tablet in the form of a 3-day look-ahead. Logging into the SIS mobile app is easy. Simply enter your username and password in the boxes provided and press Sign In. SIS will synchronize your app data with the SIS server to ensure your app is up to date with the latest scheduling information. On the selected job screen, select the division, project, and the job that you intend to work on. This will open your SIS scheduling for this job. When scheduling your SIS, confirm the day that you are scheduling and enter your task information in the fields provided. They are contract crew or job information. The actual task, the quantity associated with the task, and the scheduled hours. Of these, only the task and the scheduled hours are required and are highlighted in red. When you have completed entering your task information, you can add additional tasks by moving to the next line. If you need to add more tasks than the initial 5 lines provided, just press the green plus in the lower left corner. Users have the option to add as many tasks as they need. When you are completed with your schedule, press the Confirm Save button in the upper right corner. A pop-up will display asking you to confirm or save your schedule. Upon confirmation, the SIS mobile app will save your schedule for that day, and you can then proceed to the schedule for the next 2 days. At the end of your work shift, SIS will ask you to score your daily schedule. To do so, press the blue graph icon associated with your task in the far right column. When the scoring pop-up has displayed, scroll to the estimated percentage complete for that task. If your task is less than 100% complete, enter the number of hours you worked as scheduled. Typically, this is the time needed to complete the task. Next, enter the reason code for the obstacle responsible for the task not being completed. This can then be elaborated in the detailed reason code section. If a task was not completed, you have the option for pushing the task forward up to 2 days. Users have the option of entering additional notes for each task to further describe the obstacle or the current status of the task. Users also have the option to upload up to 4 images for each task. When completed, select Save in the upper right corner. You will notice a blue progression line indicating the percentage complete of the task and a red chevron showing that the task has been pushed forward to a future schedule. This process must be repeated for all tasks on the schedule. When all tasks have been scored, press the Confirm Save button to submit your data. A green confirmation bar will show at the top of the screen when your data has been successfully saved. When connected to the internet, the SIS app synchronizes your data to the SIS database so that your job site information is always up to date and allows you to resolve conflicts with a single touch. The SIS app allows you to print your schedule if your device is connected to a printer, or save it locally as a PDF. When you select charts from the SIS app, you will be redirected to the web-based SIS application. From the application, select SIS Outputs from the top menu and then select Pareto. The Pareto chart representing your job will show with all of your primary reason codes used on that job to date and their impact. The primary reason codes are listed along the bottom of the chart. Tapping on any of the red bars associated with the reason code will give you a display of the impact that reason code has on that job in HNWAC or hours, not worked as scheduled. Tapping on the green bar will tell you how many times this obstacle has occurred. Tapping the bar again will display a second level on the Pareto chart showing you all of the detailed reason codes for the Pacific reason code. All of the detailed reason codes are listed across the bottom of the chart. Tapping the bar once more will display a pop-up display of the actual entry where that detailed reason code was used. All information associated with the Pacific update is contained within the printable and savable form. If the detailed reason code was used more than once, you have the option to select which date you want to view from the drop-down at the top of the display. To exit this form, simply hit Close. To go back to the top-level Pareto chart of the job, hit the blue Back button located in the upper left-hand corner of the chart. While the Pareto chart's default sorting is by HNWAS, you do have the option to sort the chart by occurrences by selecting the blue button at the top of the chart in the center. Total job information can be found in the upper right-hand corner of the chart.